Hey baby friends, it's JD here, and these are the Abstract Dimples. I'm going to pop the bubbles. This is the quiet side. I'm going to pop these. Use this one. This, and then turn it over. And then do the loud sides. These are the loud sides. And also, I fidget a lot, and when I fidget, I use these, and then they calm me down. And also, there's a lot of different kinds, like this one looks like a beach, and then this one, I don't know. This one also looks like the beach, and then this one like it's a starry night, and this one's a cheetah, and this one's like a lot of colors and stuff. I'm gonna put, oh yeah, and also they come with keychains, see? But we just took them out. I'm gonna put more in the bubbles. Oh yeah, and they're also very small too, see? It's very small, see? More of the bubbles. That, one. This one, this one, this one, pop this one. And yeah, go check it out in our shop at jedbaby.com. And please like and subscribe. Bye!